This was not where I wanted to be. Help! Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday and welcome to the new vlog. For those of you who don't know me, I'm ToneFrance. I'm a YouTuber and a TikToker. And on my main YouTube channel, I perform skits where I talk to myself as a bunch of different characters. This is my vlog channel, where you guys get a behind the scenes look at what my weeks typically look like. And this week is going to be a little bit different than normal, because for the front half of the week, it's going to be kind of average. I'm just going to be filming, editing, and writing. But for the back half of the week, I'm going to be spending it with my wife in San Francisco. So for the front half of the week, I'm going to be doing a lot of work. And then the back half, I'll kind of be on vacation. It's really more of a work trip for her, and I'm just kind of hanging out on the ride. So anyway, we're just going to jump into things. Today, I'm going to go to my friend's grandparents' house to film a small portion of my Home Alone video. Then I'm going to come back here, maybe edit that video, maybe do some writing for Kindness with Kevin. And then tomorrow, I'm going to be doing a lot of filming. So let's head to my friend's grandparents' house right now. Alright, so like I said earlier, now I'm at my friend's grandparents' house, and they have this creepy doll room where I'm going to be filming a small portion of my Home Alone video. And guys, I'm very scared. Check out this doll room. Everywhere you look, there are dolls staring at you. I am terrified. Let's film this video real quick and then get out of here. How am I supposed to sleep in here? I hate this room. Alright, so tonight was a very successful night for me. I finished writing Kindness with Kevin, and I forgot I had a little bit more of Home Alone to write, so I finished writing that too. So now, tomorrow, we're going to be filming a lot, so get ready. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Today I'm going to try and film basically like 1.5 videos. I'm going to film, obviously, Kindness with Kevin. I'm wearing the costume. And I'm also going to film the nighttime scenes of Home Alone. So it's going to be a very busy day. Let's get started by filming the apartment stuff for Kindness with Kevin and the green screen stuff right now. Howdy, everyone. Welcome to Kindness with Kevin. All right, I'm at my aunt's house for the first part of filming for today. Howdy, y'all. I'm here to collect some toys. I think I have the perfect toy to donate. Now I'm at my mom's house where I'm going to film some more Kindness with Kevin. You're going to have to live with that guilt for the rest of your life. All right, I'm here at my grandma's house getting ready to film the remaining portions of Home Alone. And it is freezing out. And people always ask, Tone, how do you film when it is either super cold out or super hot out? And the answer is, I just hope that there is air conditioning or a heater nearby. And luckily, my grandma's house is right there, so I can just sprint inside when I get too cold. But yeah, I'm freezing. My hands are going numb. Luckily, there's not too much going on out here, so I'm just gonna film super quick and go inside. So let's do this. Dude, you've been calling me a baby all night, and you can't even grab a dumb doorknob? Ow! That is hot! Alright, so I've been recording pretty much all day. I'm very tired. And I've got to get up pretty early to go to Philly tomorrow with my dad and my stepbrother to do some shopping for Christmas. But since I have to get up pretty early, I think I'm going to film my TikTok for tomorrow right now. Roar! Hello everybody, happy Tuesday. I just have a little bit more of Kindness with Kevin to film. Then the rest of this week is just going to be editing. So let's film the rest of Kindness with Kevin right now. Come on, Richard, don't you have an old teddy bear or something? Alright, so filming today was quick and easy. Now I'm back home doing a lot of editing, mainly on the Home Alone video. And I was editing this portion right here, and I thought this clip was funny. So I want to share it with you guys. I don't know if you guys could hear that or not, but I threw my grandma's ornament and it shattered. And I thought that ornament was plastic, but it turned out that it was actually glass. So, oops. Sorry, Grandma. Alright, well I finally finished editing and uploading Home Alone. It's now after midnight, so I think I'm going to bed. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Today, I am going to try to do something that is really hard. I'm going to try and write and film a video in a very short time span. Luckily, that video is only playtime with cousin though, so it's not too hard of a mission to accomplish. but it's still a hard mission. And this is one of my longer Playtime with Cousins videos because it's the one near Christmas time, which is when all the characters bring Cousin the gifts. for him to unwrap. So I have to go to the Target, buy some gifts, then have someone else wrap them because I'm terrible at wrapping, and then go to my mom's house and film the video. But first, I need to actually write that script. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Then I'm going to film my TikTok, then go to Target, then go to somewhere, probably my dad's house, have my dad and stepmom wrap the gifts, and then go to my mom's house and film the video. Wow, that's a lot of travel today. Let's do it because tomorrow I'm going to San Francisco, so that's even more travel. Why do I do this much traveling before Christmas every year? I don't know, but please remind me next year not to do this to myself because I just got off of a cruise and now I'm going to San Francisco. I need to stop doing this because it is a headache for me. Okay, I finished writing Playtime with Cousin, and as you guys can see, I'm in my mom's basement. It's time to film Playtime with Cousin. Hello, everyone. Welcome to a special episode of Playtime with Cousin. You know this is a special episode because I'm sitting on the ground. I spent $3,000 on my gift. All right, so Playtime with Cousin is filmed. Now I'm back at the apartment. I packed my bags for San Francisco. Now I'm going to film my TikTok for tomorrow and maybe a TikTok for Monday and Tuesday. I think I'm going to bring some costumes to San Francisco with me so I can just film in the hotel room because I'm getting pretty tired and I don't want to have to film like 6 TikToks tonight. Or maybe 4. I don't really know. What is up, everyone? Happy Thursday. We have made it to San Francisco. We're in our hotel room right now, but we're not going to stay here for too long. On the plane, I did write most of a script, a very special script, and I'm probably going to finish that script either tonight or tomorrow. We'll see. But for right now, let's go do some exploring of San Francisco. All right, so we decided to check out the iconic Pier 39, which is like, you know, a tourist trap type spot in San Francisco. But later, we're going to see Alcatraz. But right now, it's time to get some food. I got some clam chowder in a bread bowl. That bread bowl was delicious. Now it's time to go to jail. So we're gonna get on that boat and we're gonna go see this jail. Little Tone is gonna be walking right there into that jail in the middle of the San Francisco Bay. All right, so this is future Tone narrating my trip to Alcatraz. There it is, way off in the distance. Here's a closer shot of it. Look at that. I can't believe there were actual prisoners on this island at one point. And here is a shot of the Golden Gate Bridge, although you can't really tell because it's so foggy out. Now here's the walk up to Alcatraz. As you can see, there is no escaping this island. Once you're on this island, you're stuck here. But many prisoners did try to escape. There's a watchtower, and here's where the wardens would live. Man, there's no escape. You're stuck. But look at that view of San Francisco. That is a beautiful view. All right, so now we entered the jail portion, and this was a really cool part of the tour. But it was also really sad to see the living conditions of some of these prisoners. As you can see, there are a few holes in the back of the cells. These are from when the prisoners tried to actually escape. You can see there's actually spoons near one of the holes. That's because a prisoner tried digging themselves out of Alcatraz with spoons. That is a real story. And here's a shot of me standing in one of the cells. As you can see, it is a tight fit in here, so the living conditions were absolutely horrendous. Just got back from seeing Alcatraz. That was so cool to see. Now I'm going to bed, and tomorrow I'm going to be doing some work in the hotel room, and then we'll explore more of San Francisco. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. I'm still in San Francisco, but for most of the day, I'm going to be spending today in the hotel room. First, I'm going to start off by editing this vlog that you're watching. Then after that, I think I'm going to finish the script that I wrote yesterday on the plane, and then maybe I'll try writing another short Monday script for after Christmas. But before I do any of that, I brought my ring light, as you can see, so I'm gonna film my TikTok for today right here in the hotel room. Great, now I'm crying and I don't care about any of this. So now I just went for a little walk and I saw a movie theater nearby, so I decided to go see a movie before I went back to the room and did work all day. And the movie I decided to see is a special movie called FNAF 2. This is the biggest and creepiest movie theater I've ever been in. Which is fitting because I'm seeing Five Nights at Freddy's 2, but still, like, why do I feel like I'm about to get attacked right now? It just keeps going. And I'm like the only one here. I'm scared. Let's go see Five Nights at Freddy's 2. And I'm the only one in this theater too. What is going on? Alright, so I just got back from seeing Five Nights at Freddy's, and honestly, I don't understand the hate. I kind of like that movie. There were some plot points that didn't make too much sense. I don't want to go into detail in case someone hasn't seen it. I don't want to spoil anything. But overall, I just really like the general vibe of Five Nights at Freddy's. It's a really cool concept, and I had a fun time with that movie. So I'm going to give it a 7.5 out of 10. Not the greatest movie of all time, but I think it is much better than the original Five Nights at Freddy's movie. So Five Nights at Freddy's 2 gets a 7.5 from me. And I am very excited for eventually when they release Five Nights at Freddy's 3. Because come on, this movie is making a lot of money. We know Five Nights at Freddy's 3 is coming out very soon. Vlogception. I am all caught up on editing this week's vlog. And the sun is directly in my eyes. But good thing I'm done. Let's move out of this seat. Alright, so after editing the vlog, I needed to get out of the hotel room. So we got some dinner, and now it's time for some dessert. And there's no better place in San Francisco for dessert than Ghirardelli. How am I supposed to choose just one thing on this menu? Oh my gosh, I love chocolate so much. So I think I have to get the Chocolate Lovers Sundae. Oh yeah, 10 out of 10. Ghirardelli, however you pronounce it, they make the best sundaes. All right, so I went back in and asked how you pronounce Ghirardelli, and they said that you actually pronounce it Ghirardelli, and then they pointed me to this sign. So yeah, sorry, I was pronouncing it wrong. Now we're back at Pier 39 to see the sea lions, and although it's dark out, you can't really see them, but you can definitely hear them. Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Today, we're gonna kind of be going back and forth from the hotel to different food spots in San Francisco. I went on TikTok, the source of, the best recommendations in the world, and I found the best spots in San Francisco to get, quick bites to eat. And for breakfast, I found this little spot called Ariscolt. I definitely messed up the pronunciation of that, but let's go give it a try. Yeah, I don't even want to attempt to try and pronounce that name. I don't know how to pronounce it. All right, so I found the San Francisco Giants baseball stadium, and here is my chocolate almond croissant. It's like the size of my hand. Let's give it a try. Whoa. That is amazing. Look at all the chocolate in there. Buttery, flaky, chocolatey. 10 out of 10. No complaints. All right, I just got back to the hotel room. That croissant was fantastic. I'm going to film today and tomorrow's TikTok, and then I'll probably do some writing for this Friday's video. It's going to be a very busy week next week because a certain friend that I've collabed with in the past is coming up to do a special video. And I also need to film Friday's video for next week as well. So yeah, I'm going to be running all over the place next week. But anyway, I have to write that script for next week first. All right, so I filmed my TikToks for today, did a little bit of writing, then I went out to get some lunch. I stopped at a place called Deli Board. The line was out the door, so I knew it had to be good. I got the 49er sandwich, which I don't really remember what it was because it was so long ago that I ordered it, but I do know that there's pastrami on it, and I love pastrami. And here's a look at the sandwich. Look at that cross section. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna love this. It also came with a ton of waffle fries. Wow, that is really good. I forgot there's peppers in there, so it's spicier than I thought. But still a fantastic sandwich. I will say, pretty sure it cost me $24 for that sandwich. So I don't know if it's a $24 sandwich, but still really good. I'm gonna give it an 8.5. Okay, so we just got back from dinner. We had some sushi. The sushi was fantastic. Everything I ate today was so good. Now, I think it's time for me to wrap up the vlog because the Wi-Fi in this hotel room isn't all that great and I have to edit this vlog and hopefully get it uploaded by tomorrow morning. So that's it for this vlog. We spent the first half of the week grinding away at some videos, then we spent the second half of this week exploring San Francisco. I'll see you guys next Sunday.